We built our company for success, but not in the way you might think. Success has a broad and vital meaning here. It stretches well beyond revenue and profit margins.
We've always challenged ourselves through merit. How can we produce more? How can we drive more value to our customer? We were doing that long before anybody ever used the word innovation.
We started off as a really, really good electrical contractor, and we're very proud of that, and it's something that we continue to build from. But being able to help our customers with the complex problems that they face today and in the future, I think is what it's all about. And I think that's what's going to make it exciting to work here 50 years from now, is that we're not afraid to grow the organization. We're not afraid to try new things. It's probably the cornerstone of our business.
If you're creating something that's world class, you're going to attract people. If you do that, the rest is history.